I'm Ginger Holdren with Property Executives. If you are thinking about remodeling your kitchen, here are a few tips. The countertop is so important. Solid surfaces are really hot. Even consider a raised countertop like this one so that the family can sit around and be involved while the food is still being prepared or during cleanup afterward. It's just really an inviting atmosphere like that. Also notice the canned lighting and then the pendant lights as well. Different types of lighting are good, so offer pendant lights and canned lights. It gives people a choice. Neutral colors are always a good thing, plenty of storage space, and I personally love a sink that opens into the other rooms of the home. I like to be able to look out, so it kind of keeps me involved. So think about that when you're renovating. Dark colors for the appliances are really in, and even for the hardware, the faucets and the cabinet pulls, dark is in. These are just some things to consider. Call me, Ginger Holdren, at Property Executives.